Hey, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing how to cream, contour, and highlight for beginners. Yeah, so this is just typically how I do it. I don't know if it's like the exact way you're supposed to do it, like the professionals do it. But these are just some tips and tricks that I learned that I thought I could pass on to you guys. And this is how I contour and highlight my face. I like to tend to use cream products better and then set it with a powder. I just find that it works, it looks more realistic, and I just like the look better. So yeah, I'm gonna be working with cream products and powder products today. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little notification bell down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. But if you guys want to see how I contour and highlight my face, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've already put foundation on my face, so we're not going to do that. I didn't set it or anything. I used my Maybelline Matte and Poreless, so I already did that. And I didn't put very much on because I'm cream contouring. You don't want to put too much on. But I usually go between, we're going to be using the Maybelline Master Conceals. I really like these ones. They have like light, medium, and dark. Yeah, I only have the light and medium. I do have a dark one, but I tend to just use the light and medium. So those are really good options. And I'll give you guys another option. I like this one because I find the contour is more like a natural shadow as opposed to orangey, so I just like that better. But if you can get, these work too. These are the NYX foundation sticks. I really like these two. This one's in caramel, but it's a little bit more oranger, so I kind of tend to go towards the Maybelline ones, but these ones are really good too. And then another option is these ones, the Fit Me. These are I think these are the newest one, the Fit Me. This one is in toffee and this one's in porcelain. So I might use a little bit of these today too. Actually, yeah, I'm going to, but. So we're gonna start. Right now the highlight and contour is on each side of these, so it's kind of cool. So this is we're gonna use the light one right now, and I just kind of roll it up like that. That's what it looks like. That's yeah, see, it's brown on one side, and then, so I'm just gonna take that, and what I'm gonna do is I kind of start from here, and you don't want to go too far down because then it's just not gonna look realistic. And my cheekbone is right here, so I want to mimic my cheekbone. So I just do a little line there, a little line there, and then what I do is I usually take the other side and just underline. Okay, so for my eye, I'm just gonna flip it around to the yellow side, and I'm gonna just draw an upside down triangle. And I kind of bring it up on the side of my nose here, like that. Because I want my nose to look a little bit skinnier, so I kind of, and bring it like that. And I'm gonna put some on the top of my lip to make my lips look bigger. And I go like that. And now I'm gonna highlight a little highlight right down the middle of my nose, the bridge of my nose, so it makes my nose look more straight. And because I have a bigger forehead, like say if you had a smaller forehead, you would just bring the highlight up pretty low. I mean, if you had a smaller forehead, you'd want to bring the highlight up more to emphasize your forehead more. So I have a big forehead, so what I do is when the contour shade up here, I bring it down lower to make my head look a little bit small, my forehead to be a little bit smaller. So I'm only going to put a little bit of highlight right here because I don't want to emphasize it too much. And that's going to connect. And then right here, I kind of just bring that down a little bit lower, and then my temples, I go like that. And then I do my chin sometimes, and a little bit of, okay. Now I'm just gonna bring this down the bridge of my nose. And that's typically what I do. And I'll take a little bit of this porcelain one by Fit Me and just kind of go over it. So I'm gonna first start with my contour, and I like to use a brush for my contour, so I'm just going to be using a dual fiber brush. I just find that this blends out the product really good. And so what I'm going to do here is I want to make sure that this isn't going down, so I want to blend it up because I want to have that straight line so you can see where my cheekbone is. I don't really want to mess with that too much. So as you can see, we don't really want to move it around too much. We just want to kind of push it up a bit. Definitely don't want to push it down. And it'll show up a lot more after we powder. But then I just push this into my hairline. Push it all the way into my hairline. And then sometimes this little line here gets, and I just take this. And these products are pretty light, so then I'm gonna take my Real Techniques contour brush and just kind of push it up a bit like that, and then go down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to take my Sigma, this is an angled kabuki, and just get under my jawline. It's okay if you don't get everywhere perfectly, because we're gonna, now that that's happened, we're gonna go in with a beauty blender. I like to use to blend out my highlighter with a beauty blender under my eye, and I'm not really moving the product too much. I'm just kind of pushing it, dabbing it like this and blending it out. Because we're putting it on our face for a reason. We don't want to, certain areas, right? We don't want to really move that product too much, so we're just lightly dabbing under our eyes. And then our forehead. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. See, it's very subtle. I don't go really heavy-handed on the cream contour, on contouring at all, really, because I just don't really like that look. Okay, so I have two options, but I'm gonna go between the Kat Von D and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. For under my eye, I'm just gonna use this color right here and a little bit of this and mix these two together. And I'm just gonna be using my e.l.f. It's like an e.l.f. blush brush. I love this brush. Just gonna take a little bit of this one, mostly that one, and then I'm just gonna sit underneath my eye. You could use a beauty blender too if you wanted to, but I just tend to set under my eyes like that. Now, what I'm gonna do, this is just the order I do it. I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques. It's a big powder brush. And the powder I'm using today, I usually use my powder. Oh, also you can use the Fit Me if you don't have the Kat Von D Shade Light or the Anastasia. This is Fit Me in 10, and it's a little bit lighter, so I usually sometimes put that under my eyes to brighten it. Or another good one too is the NYX Banana Powder. That's a really good one too for under your eyes. I can't find my powder right now, so I'm just gonna use this one. This is NYX, it's a finishing powder. I'm just gonna put that on my face because I can't find. I'm just gonna set my whole face like that with a little bit of powder, just so this stays all day. We don't want that moving around. Okay, now I got a couple of options. So we can use the Kat Von D one. This is a really good one, this gray one. I like to use this one for my highlight. I mean for my contour. Or the Hoola is a really good one. And if you're looking for like a more affordable bronzer, this NYC, this is Sunny. This is a really good matte bronzer. Or I'm giving you guys a lot of options. Or the NYX matte bronzer is really nice, but it's a little bit orange. A little more on the orangey side. Okay, so I am going to take this color right here, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm just going to lightly go over and feather it up like that. So I usually go over with like a matte color, a matte shade, and then I will, and when I take this color with like a bigger, like say my blush brush, I'll take that and then put it up here. Like that. And then what I'll do, I'll take like butter bronzer. So it's that, and I take it with like a Real Techniques brush. And I kind of just use this a little more just to bronze up my face. And it blends the contour better too, right? For highlight, I normally, what I do is, to make my highlight, I like a pop and highlight. So I'm gonna be using the Master Strobing stick. This is an illuminator and it is in light. I really love this. So I just take this and then I take a little bit of my a dual fiber brush and I just go like this, and then I just lightly dab right on the high points of my cheekbone there. Other side. Do a little bit right on my nose, then my cupid's bow. Looks so pretty just like that, but then I always add more. And then I'm going to be using my Essence. This is a really beautiful highlight. It's not really that intense, so I really like it. And I'm going to take that with a Real Techniques Dual Fiber Contour Brush. It's going to go like that, a little bit, tap it off. See that? Isn't it beautiful? And then sometimes I will like take a brush like this and just clean out my edges. So, okay, I forgot blush. Okay, so for blush I'm gonna use Laguna. No, this is Orgasm. I'm gonna use Orgasm. Is that Orgasm? Yeah, Orgasm. I'm gonna use that for blush today. And I'm going to use that with my Real Techniques, what is this? Multitask brush. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. Put it on the apples much. That's about it. So that's just typically, if I'm going to be doing, I don't do this every day, but usually when I'm doing my tutorials or doing YouTube. So yeah, like I said, it might not be exactly the right way how to do this, but I'm just showing you guys my way. This is how I've been doing it and how I really like it. Yeah. So if you guys like this video and you want more videos like this, please comment down below and let me know what videos you guys want to see next. I love you guys, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little notification bell down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!